Hello everyone, welcome back to Grimm's Garage, and today on recent Diecast pickups, we've got mostly Johnny Lightning, and I'll explain that in a moment. We've got 2 Hot Wheels, 1 Racing Champion, and 1 dual pack for M2. Johnny Lightning, get out to your local Ollie store. They have lots of overstock of Johnny Lightning from, I'd say, about 6 months ago. I think these from about 6 months ago. So you're going to want to go check them out. $4 a piece, as you can see here. $3.99, which is about half price, maybe a little less than half price of what they usually go for, in my area at least. We're going to start off with the only Racing Champions. 85 Buick Regal T-Type. Not a big fan of the Racing Champs. I'm not a big racing fan, but once in a while they come out with a sick casting that I gotta have anyway. That is beautiful. Black, silver. Boost. A license plate there. Nice paint on the tail lights. Really nice casting. Really enjoying this. It'll be beautiful. Put that guy on the spinning display. Alright. On to, you know what, why don't we get the M2 out of the way? We have a 66 Ford C950 truck and a 64 Ford Econoline. The Cherry Coke theme, classic Cherry Coke theme. And I'm going to pause on this for a moment because no one wants to watch me struggle to get this out of the package. So I'll be right back. Alright. Now, here's our 66 Ford C950. To be honest with you, I think that cab and truck's a little misaligned. So the angle issue there. To check that out, but we've seen this truck before. I personally have 2 models exactly like this, different decor, and I have a third one that has, it's the same cab, but it's got a small, like regular pickup bed. I think this truck's always also been used as a fire truck. Beautiful beast. But my main purchase for this is a 64 Econoline truck. Very cherry. Loving the red wood sides on that. Nice spare rubber tire. Beautiful model. I think I've got a Coke problem. They just keep coming out with great stuff for Coke. Now, might as well get the Hot Wheels out of the way. I've got 1 main line and 1 custom one. We got the coupe clip. You know, I don't know why I keep buying these, to be honest with you. I don't feel the need to collect these. The body shape is of a car I wouldn't normally collect. I just loved it because it was a keychain and I wanted to help represent my hobby. So I bought the first 2 releases, put them on my keys. Bought the third one, put on my wife's keys. Well, here's another one. I'm running out of key sets to put these on, but I'm still going to buy them. I want each one. And mine are all messed up because, like I said, I used them. They're all chipped. The first one was all silver, with like a white stamp for a number thing and a Hot Wheel logo on the side fender, which made sense because it was going to get chipped up. And all the later ones like this that are fully painted, when they're on your keychain, they do get messed up, but still fun to have on your keychain. I'll find somewhere to use this. Pretty cool. And this guy, Hot Wheels Boulevard Series, Toyota AE86 Sprinter Torino, is not exactly a new casting, or a new release. It's like 2 years old. 2020. So 2021. I need that Cyclone too, by the way. But anyway, I missed this. This still is a recent pickup for me. I got it at my local Walmart. Someone must have returned this. It's one good thing about Walmart. If it's got a barcode and they've sold it at any time, they'll take it back. And some people do that, and some of us are grateful. I missed out on this, and due to someone's return, I was able to obtain it. Nice headlight tempos. Really like that. I usually really love black and red, but this seems a tad drab. I think you could distribute the colors a little better. But beautiful model. Happy to have obtained it. Rubber tires, of course. Now, we're going to take a look at these Johnny Lightnings. We've got an 83 Ford Ranger XL in dark spruce and white. Oh, and by the way, I think I mentioned this before. Got all these at Ollie's for $4 a piece. Go to your local Ollie store. There's a lot, even double packs, like the double van pack, the double packs of like Broncos and Hummers, or Blazers and Hummers, pardon. Check them out. There's quality stuff going on at Ollie's if you're in the U.S. That is a sharp color on this truck. I am way more appreciating this now that I see it in my hands out of the package. Are there alternate colors on the dashboard? No, I think it's just reflective of the contour. But beautiful model. Not my most favorite vehicle. Oh, tilting bed. Tailgate. Nice. What does it say on the MPG first? Yeah, license plate. I don't like gold, but those little gold details on the green and white, I have to respect it. I think that is suitable. That looks beautiful. This is way better than I thought it was. Thought this was my least favorite Johnny Lightning pickup for today. But it is a gorgeous model. Highly doubt this hood opens. It is a separate piece. Yeah, it's riveted in. But gorgeous. Alright. 71 Ford Pinto, which I have one or two of these. But not this one. So let's get this guy open. In fact, I think this may be an alternate to one that I missed, which is the same case for the next vehicle. the A or B, but not the opposite. Alright, we got our package candy. Oh, detail card. Here's our vehicle. It looks very yellow to me, but apparently it said neon orange on the package. Firestone rubber tires. Cat hair on my hands. What does it say? Hot BWF? Rot. Not. I don't know. Beautiful cast. Nice addition. We've got the custom Holland Hearse. I've got about 3 or 4 of this casting. I've got the flat pink, which is the A version of this. I missed this guy, so I was happy to find it at Ollie's for half price. Oh yeah, this one in flat light teal. We've got a card. Reverse in Pieces. Demo Derby series. There we are. Love my wagons and hearses. Missing front grille as usual to this casting. V8 sticking out. Very cool. It's a dual V8. Got another one in the back seats. Always a lovely addition. Last 2 for today. Johnny Lightnings from the Demolition Derby. I have the A and B of the 65 Chevy tow truck from the Demolition series, which I was interested in, obviously, but I did not find them when they were originally out, so Ollie's for the win. Whether you're a diecast collector or a toy collector, they've got a lot of good stuff going on. Always check your local Ollie's. I'm always surprised that I see castings that are hot sells in my area end up at Ollie's a couple months later because they were not hot sellers in another area. And that's how Ollie's works. They sell overstock that other places couldn't sell. So I'm always so amazed at the awesome things that people in my area are looking for that just end up there. Ooh, yeah. Look at that hood. It's a nice articulated hood. Seafoam green engine in there. I'm loving the articulation of that. That is quality. Breaking wrecks and wrecking brakes. Awesome. Pink and green looks pretty cool. And it's alternate. Get this going. Card. Car. Record breaker. That really does look like graffiti. Nice details. Lovely hood again. This one's a little stiffer. There we go. I loosened up. That's a nice hood. Fits together seamless. Articulates very well. That is a quality. That's a quality casting. I'm sorry about the focus on that, but same logos as before. Just different colors. Beautiful casting otherwise. Oh, I forgot to show that. Chevrolet. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you join me again soon. Please like and subscribe. It'll help me out tremendously. And please know that you are all so much appreciated. I hope you all have a very good night.